Hello guys, if you want to change the camera angle in College Football 27, it's quick and easy and there are a few different ways to do it. First, from the main menu, open settings, then go to game settings. Next, switch over to the visual feedback tab and scroll down until you find the camera options. Here, you can turn camera toggle on or off, enable or disable the passing cam and choose separate camera presets for both offense and defense. For offense, you can choose between standard, wide, all 22, broadcast or zoom. For defense, you'll have standard, wide, all 22, broadcast, zoom and defensive perspective. College Football 27 also introduces a new feature called modular camera settings. This lets you customize the camera for specific gameplay movements, including pre-play, coach cam, drop back, carrying the ball, running plays, passes in the air, touchdowns, kickoffs, punts and post play. You can also choose a default camera set, then fine-tune each event individually. If you are already in a game, you can switch camera angles without opening the settings menu. Before the ball is snapped, simply press up or down on the D-pad to cycle through the available camera views until you find the one you prefer. Try the different camera presets and the new modular camera settings to find the setup that best matches your playstyle. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.